Welcome back to Brotuned, everyone. We're going to test out Eley Sport. Not sure how this is going to run. It's pretty cheap, $9.99 Canadian. We're going to do 10 foulers on the 2-inch sticky, and then I'm going to correct my zero. We're going to have 4 or 5 shot groups. Let's get shooting. Hit left. I'm going to pull it over, probably let's go 2/10 and do our next 5. Okay, those are 10 foulers. Let's move over to top left 1-inch sticky and we'll send 5. Not looking good. Okay, next group, top right. Wind's gusting there, you can see it. Target's moving too. Wait a sec. Terrible. Low left. Just over a 1/2 inch by the looks of it. Last target. Wind died right down. No excuses for wind now. Wow. It looks under a 1/2 inch for sure, and there was no wind, so that's what we're getting with no wind. The very odd time that there's no gust. That one looks alright. Now, just for fun, I load another 10 rounds into the 10 round magazine in my CZ, and I'm going to shoot as fast as I can those 6 1-inch holes from the sticky sheet. See how fast I can get 10 in, not going for like dead center as long as it's in the center. If I miss, then I have to take another shot. So I have up to 10 shots and make 6 targets as fast as I can. Starting on an open bolt too. 3, 2, 1. Wind was knocking him out a bit, but there we go. 3 more shots. Shoot him into those holes again, I guess. Alright guys, thanks for watching this short little video. If you haven't subscribed already, get down there and subscribe. Thanks for coming out. We'll see you next time.